Hi guys, so I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Solana ecosystem. Solana is the fifth, I don't count Tether because I'll do another video on Tether. But it's not a cryptocurrency, it's a stable coin. So speaking about just cryptocurrency projects, Solana is going to be the fourth largest cryptocurrency project out there. We got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, and then Solana. So Solana, I don't know if you guys are familiar with its blockchain. It uses proof of history instead of proof of stake or proof of work like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And it's its own little monster that I think has a lot of potential future. I've been using it a lot and not many people know how to use the Solana ecosystem. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what to do. Okay, so first of all, in order for you guys to start using Solana, you need a wallet. There's a bunch of wallets out there. I'm using the Phantom wallet. So I'll just go ahead and Google Phantom Solana, and it's going to bring up this. I'm using Brave, by the way. I'm always using Brave because I'm getting paid in crypto for using it. Brave rewards. I'll do another video on that later. I just installed this on my brand new computer, so just bear with me. Download the Phantom app. It's going to ask you to add the extension to your Chrome browser. Even though it's not Chrome, you're on the Chrome web store. It says add to Brave. You're going to click add. You're going to go to add extension, and then it's going to go ahead and install that. Okay guys, once you've installed your Phantom extension on your web browser, you can actually pin it over here. I'm actually having difficulty showing these pop-ups. I can read my extensions here. If you click on them, for some reason it's not recording it, so you can just click on this puzzle piece, pin the Phantom app, and it's going to show over here, right? So once that's installed, you can click on the Phantom app and it's going to open this window where it says either create a new wallet or use a secret recovery phrase, okay? So if you're new to this ecosystem, you don't have a wallet, then you're going to go ahead and create a new wallet. So this is the most important part about the video. This secret recovery phrase is the most important thing you need to write down, remember, have it in multiple locations. You can never lose this, because if you lose your secret recovery phrase, you won't have access to your money in the future. So never have it publicly available for other people to read. This is super secret for you, so never have it public. Save it in a piece of paper. That's the most recommended thing to do, but I myself don't trust myself with notes because he'll lose them. So I'll take pictures and put them like in a secret folder or something so that I won't ever forget these secret recovery phrases. So what you have to do now, let me get my digital notebook. Give me a second. So this is what I do. If you have a digital notebook like an iPad or an iPhone or whatever, you can write these words down. You can go ahead and do that. Open a new note and start writing down these phrases. So I'm going to put sauce, and then I'm going to put canvas. Fast forward. Okay, once you've written down your phrases, this is just an example, so don't worry about my secret recovery phrase. Obviously, I have another wallet on my personal computer with a different Phantom secret recovery phrase, so this is just an example, right? Once you've written them down, then you're going to say, okay, I saved it somewhere, and then it's going to ask you to create a password. So this is a different password. This password is for you to access your wallet in a faster way. If you forget this password, you'll be able to recover your wallet using your secret phrase, okay? So this password isn't as important as the other secret phrases, so just go ahead and put whatever you want, crypto 2021, for example, and then that's going to be my fast password in order for me to access my wallet using my own computer, okay? If somebody wants to access my wallet, they're going to have to know that password. But if for some reason I lose my computer and I don't have access to my wallet and I have to buy another computer, I would have to reinstall the Phantom app on that computer, and the only way for me to recover my wallet would be to use the secret phrase. You won't need your password to recover it somewhere else. So remember, in the beginning it asked me if I wanted to create a new wallet or just import an existing one. Well, the existing one, I would have to import these phrases onto them. So let's click save, and then it's going to ask me to follow us on Twitter if you want. This application, Phantom, is actually going to be available for mobile in the beginning of 2022, I think January. So currently the only way to access funds on Solana is going to be through a computer, installing it on a web browser. Once you click finish, then you'll be good to go. You can click on there, and I don't know if you can see this, but a window's popping up. Okay, so for some reason it's not showing up in my screen recording, so I'm going to show you this side of the screen. Once you have your Phantom wallet installed, you can go ahead and click that Phantom button up here in the corner. A couple of things you should notice here. It says wallet number 1. You can have multiple wallets on that same applications in order for you to separate accounts. So this right here where it says copy to clipboard, this is going to be your account number, and it's the one that you're going to use to sign in to multiple websites, Web3 websites. So this is going to be my account number. That's the whole number. It's an alphanumeric number. And next is going to show you your balance. So if you have a whole bunch of cryptocurrencies, for example, you can have Solana and then add that to your wallet, and then you can add other cryptocurrencies like SAMO. It's a famous cryptocurrency meme token in Solana. Go ahead and add those, close this, and then you'll have your balance in that native token. So you'll see how many sols you have, how many SAMOs you have, and that'll show you the balance in US dollars, and it'll give you the percentage change in the last 24 hours. That out of the way, and you know what that Phantom wallet looks like. Now let's go to some Web 3.0 websites. One of the most famous websites on Solana is going to be Solanaartio, and this is an NFT website. So you can buy digital art from this website. All you have to do is select your wallet, and then you're going to connect via Phantom. As I said, there's a lot of Solana wallets out there, but I think Phantom is the largest one. You got Clover, Solet, Slope, Solflare. I currently only use Solflare and Phantom. Let's go ahead and click Phantom, and then you can't see it right now, but it's going to show a pop-up that's going to say connect. All you got to do is connect, and you'll see that your account is connected to this website, and you'll have your balance once you have some Solana in there. Remember, it's really important to always have a balance in Solana. It doesn't matter if it's like 0.01, but always have a little bit of Solana in your wallet, because when you're paying for transactions, the only way to pay for transactions on Solana is by having Solana, okay? So if you transfer, for example, if you swap all your Solana tokens into another token and you're left with 0 Solana, you won't be able to swap that token back because you don't have any Solana to pay that fee in. So yeah, let's go to collections. That was just a preview. And here you're gonna see a couple of projects like Soul Chicks, Degenerate Trash Pandas. These are the top NFTs right now in Solana. Let's go ahead and click, for example, Degenerate Ape Academy. This is one of the most famous projects in Solana. And as you can see, you're gonna have how many items there are. So there's 1,200 listed out of 10,000, 793 owners. And here you're always gonna see a floor price. The floor price is gonna be the cheapest NFT that you can purchase in this collection. So if we go to another collection, let's go to Soul Chicks, for example, you'll see that the floor price is going to be 20 bucks. I've never seen these guys before. And once you purchase an NFT, let's see if we can find something else. For example, these Genopets. Damn, these are expensive. 42. Jesus. I think these are evolutionary. Like, these are like, I think they're eggs. I don't know if there's, we can filter them by price. So let's go to price high to low. So yeah, I think they're all eggs or something. Look at that, 6,000 Solanas. You'll see the last price that it was purchased at, but sometimes people sell these NFTs to themselves to other wallets, and it'll appear like somebody sold it, but they're just selling them to themselves. Just a good way to make art appreciate. So no, let's go to something that's way cheaper. Let's see if we can find something like these mob monkeys. Everything's so expensive. Oh my god. Let's load high. So here we go. So the floor price is going to be 2.4 Solana. So say you like this guy with a bandana or whatever he has on his head, this camel. You're going to look at its attributes to see how rare this art piece is, and it'll give you a cost, right? Once you're satisfied with its attributes and the art, you'll go ahead and click buy, and it'll give you a pop-up. Right now it says I don't have enough Solana to purchase this, but once you purchase it, then it's yours. Where is that NFT going to be stored? On your wallet. So when you click on the Phantom wallet, there's going to be at the bottom, it's going to say something like your collections, your collectibles, and you can just click on that tab and it'll show you the NFTs that you're owning. And say you're tired of that NFT and you don't want to use it anymore, you want to sell it, you can go here to your wallet and it's going to say which items, which NFTs you currently own. It'll say unlisted because you don't have them for sale, and if you want to sell them, then you can click on sale and just see your NFTs that are on sale, right? If you have bids, and because this is an auction house, you'll see how many people are bidding on your art piece. But if they're unlisted, you can just see them here and they're going to be ordered by collection. So that's your intro on Solana. I hope you liked it. This is just one of many Web3 pages that are out there to discover on the Solana ecosystem. So if you're interested in these kinds of video, please feel free to subscribe, click the like button, and I'll be sure to keep bringing more of this content to you so that you can be an early investor in these projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy. Pow, chicky, wow, wow. Let's go. I need an intro and an outro, so one of these days.